Hello there, archers on the internet. How's it going? It's been a long while since you've seen me shoot. It's been a heck of a long time. Been doing a bit of recovery. Check this out. Look what today is. Today is new bow day. No, this isn't gray Acadian, but it's pretty close. This is a black hunter. And I got it from HItman archery supply. Can you see that? So I'm rehabbing my shoulder. I needed a little bit lighter bow. So I grabbed this baby 30 pounds longbow shooter, because longbows are more forgiving, people on the internet tell me. So I got a forgiving bow. And longbow, it's pretty. Look at the way, look at the shape. I'll have to shoot it sideways. Well, I guess I could just shoot it the other target. You can see what it looks like from the side. And I shot it today. I'm very happy with my progress. So let's watch this baby fly, or you can watch the bow bend. How's that sound? You can't see it fly from that direction. Flies nice. Check this out. This is a pretty looking bow. Look at the colors. And we'll have Leaf check it out and see what he thinks. What he thinks of the bow. What do you think? I like light color. I like this bamboo look. And I like this redwood. And this is a little, I didn't realize it had this little extra thingy. This is a special edition. Shelves are radiused real nice. They're actually radiused a little bit so they fall off. I have to pay attention with the way I set my hook and rotate my fingers, because it seems it's slanted slightly down. It must be for those traditional shooters that do this. I don't do that, so I notice I can always build it up a little bit, but it'll just help teach me better habits. So I'm pretty darn happy. New bow day. Shot a good 20 targets today. Pretty happy about that. It's been a long while. I think it's been last November. Might have been the last time I shot. So HItman archery supply. It's got a HItman string on it. This baby rocks. What you got there, Leaf?
The bow Dad handed me. This is not labeled. He just bought it earlier today, apparently. So I guess I'm gonna shoot it. I haven't shot in 7 or 8 months, so yeah. Shoots pretty well.
So what's your first impression?
Shoots nice. It feels like my bow. It feels very similar, like shooting to my bow. Almost no hand shock. It feels a little, I don't know what the sound for it is, but there's a little bit of vibration that's a little bit different near the end, but I don't know how to explain it. But yeah, it shoots really well.